Okay, welcome everyone to the coding class. So last week, in the last 6 weeks, we have worked on various aspects of Scratch programming language. We create many games. So from this week onward, we're going to move on into a new programming language called Python. So to do that, I will type in the chat. You go to repoit.com, like in the chat I put there, you create an account. So on the top right corner, there will be a sign up button. I'm going to share you the screen. So when you type in the link that I give in the chat, you will see this. And on here, there will be a sign up button here. You create your username, email, and password. I have already done it. So I don't do it again, but you just create any username you want. Email, which is your email, and then the password, which is some password that only you know. Okay, so I go back to this is the link I put there. Top right corner is create a RepoIT account. When you do this, the reason we do this is all the work that you've done will be saved. And then whenever you log into your account, you will see all your work there, and then you can actually continue your work. That's the whole reason, okay? If you don't want to create an account, this will be the link you use, okay? For Python. It's an online version of Python that doesn't need you to create an account. This one, create an account, you save your work. This one, you can do anything, but when you close the web browser, everything disappears. So I recommend using this. I'm using this so that I can see what I taught and the homework and everything. But it's up to you. But I recommend you use the repoit.com, create an account and log in. See how we go. All right, I give everyone a few minutes. Try to do this. And then we're gonna start doing some Python. Okay, actually, I'm muted, but because I wait for everyone to create an account and log into Repo IT. So I'm here, I'm just waiting for everyone. Thumbs up if you've done it. I want to see how many people thumbs up. It seems quite a bit. That's good. Who hasn't done it? Thumbs down if you haven't logged into Repo IT account. Okay, I see no thumbs down. Hannah, okay. Ashita, I'm here. Everyone hear me? Hannah, you have problem or you are good? Let me see. You know how to create an account?
Not really. I've done the other one account, not this one.
Have you done the repoit.com? The link that I gave into the chat?
Let me see. No, I've done the. I'm not sure which one I've done.
So you click on Repo IT. I put into the chat box one more time. You click on that, you will see what I showed you.
Okay, thanks.
And then you click sign up, which is on the top right. You will see this.
Yeah.
Sign up.
Username.
And then you put username, email, and password. You pick one, whatever you want to, and then you should be okay. You good now, Hannah? Can move on?
Yeah, you guys can continue. I'll just use the YouTube thing.
Okay, so for me, I just log in. Okay, so when you log in, you will see this, right? You click create on the top left. Okay, a repo, and then you make sure you click Python. And then do it again. Create, top left, click Python. And then we create a name. Lesson 7. Junior coding 7. And then you click create. You wait for a while. They make sure they got everything. This is what you see. Okay. Python is like a word language. Scratch is block language where you drag the blocks and things like that to make what you do. Python is you do the same thing but in Word using a programming language. Okay, So you will see this because not sure person what's your name, but you raise your hand.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm up to here. Wait.
Are you up to here?
I'm up to when it says light and like a summery sky and dark like a moonlight. Like, do I just press any?
No. I do it again. Click Python. In here you create, let's say lesson 7 today. Junior. You type some names so that you remember what you've learned. Make sense? Yes?
I don't know.
And then you just create.
This, I press this.
And then you will come here. You can create the name, any name you want, but
I can't press.
you make some fun, some meaningful names so that you know what to do. Oh, good. Okay. So this is the first lesson on Python. So you, I want to go very slowly. And you are junior coding class anyway, so I want to go slowly. I want to make sure everyone follow the instruction. Understand about Python. So for any programming language, right? The first thing you do is write the simplest hello world. So all you need to do in here is to do print hello world. That's it. So you type the word print, then bracket, double quote, hello world, closing quote, double quote, closing bracket. That's it. And then you hit run. Run. That will be a hello world. So your program bring out a word called hello world. That's it. This is the first, any programming language you learn, this is the first thing that you try to work it out. All right. I copied this into the chat. Jaden, today we no longer doing Scratch. We start a new programming language called Python. So it's a new, we've done six lessons on Scratch. So I think we finished the Scratch. I told you from last week. Today we start a new programming language called Python, and yeah, this is the first one. So this is the first program called Hello World, and that's it. It is the simplest, and then you can do print name. Then you run the program. Okay, so you got program to say, hello world, my name is Peter. Welcome to the junior coding class. This is the first ever Python programming language you've done. So yeah, congratulations. This is the first Python. Okay, so let's say I do this, but then you replace Peter with your name. Thumbs up if you have any question. All good. If you successfully run the program, it print out something like this. Congratulations, this is the first Python program you've done. Okay, you can do print. Do that. You click run. Do this. And then once you are done all of this, Ashita, you confuse. Ashita, I ask you to unmute. I want to see what's your problem here. Can you unmute, Ashita? No, I asked you to unmute, so you can now. You click unmute now, you can.
I don't get how to press print and
You type in print. You type in not press. Are you doing a computer or iPad?
I'm doing it on a computer.
You just type the word print. You have to use your keyboard and type in this,
Okay.
all of this. It's no longer a scratch, which is block. So you're not dragging blocks anymore. You have to type everything literally on the keyboard. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So that's the reason I copy onto the chat so you can know exactly what I type. Especially if you with tablet or something, it's very hard to type. But yeah, essentially that's what it is. You have to type every single thing. So your first program, you will hit a lot of problems, really hit a lot of errors. Like for example, right? You forget the closing double quote like this. When you do that, you will see, you see the red arrow there. You say something wrong. Maybe you don't have a double quote here. You can see all the red underline here. Underline understand the word. You could see if you hover your mouse over it, you become invalid syntax. So when you run it, you will hit problem, right? You will hit this. So your first lesson is not as smooth as you think. You will hit a lot of issues first. That's why I'm trying to go very slowly. Like that, all good. gonna print out this. Everybody okay? Thumbs up if you got it working. Siki, good. Akshita, good. Chloe, good. Jaden, good. Okay, so we're gonna improve it. We just say name equal to input. What is your name? And then you do print. Hello. And you do print. Okay, so we improve our program fair a bit. So we got a hello world, which is how do we save the title? Here, you can click on this and then you can change to any title name you want. But okay, now we run this. You need to type in your name. So you put my name is Peter. And then we say, hello, Peter, welcome to Junior Coding class. Okay, you see that? So your program now has gone up to the next level, which say, what is your name? I run again. They don't say anything. You need to put in your name, maybe what I have here. Lachlan. They will say, hello, Lachlan, welcome to the Junior Coding class. Maybe we say Anat. This is that. Okay, so I put this program into the chat. Your program has starting from a very basic hello world program now. Your program take into a name that you type in and then print out. Use that name to type print out. So your program getting a little bit more complicated now. Okay, I type in the chat. I give everyone a few minutes to work on this, and then we're gonna. I give everyone 5 minutes to look into this one, and then we're gonna move to the next thing. Okay, you have question, raise your hand. I sort it out. All right, everyone, I give everyone another few minutes to get it working, and then we come back, okay? Okay. Yep. I think it will be. Yep, I understand. First Python program, you will hit a lot of problems. So yes, it's understandable if it doesn't work. Okay, Chloe, you have question. I'm gonna unmute you first. Can you unmute again? Sorry, Chloe.
Every time I try to press the run button, even if I didn't have anything missing, it just doesn't work. It just says intention error, unexpected indent. File name.
Indent because, okay, I show you an example. If you hit like this, if I do like this, I got indentation error. Unexpected indent. You see that? In Python,
But there's no red squiggly line on mine, but it still doesn't work.
look at this. You make sure all the space, you got no more space. You have to be exactly on the dot.
They are exactly on the line.
Are you sure?
Yep.
You know how to share the screen? Okay, can you share the screen? I will look at your case. Let's share the screen and then we work from there. Ah, well done. You know how to share the screen. Okay. On line 8075. So you go down. Can you go down to the end? Line 72. You hit something weird in there. Can you go down? Scroll down. You see? That's where the problem is. Delete all of those. Go delete all of them. Yeah. Go up. See, stop. You see input is wrong. No. Now input you're right. Your it's not input, it's input. So replace m equal to n. Yeah. And then hello is your type your name, Chloe. Now you type your name on here. No, it's wrong. No. You put name, you still put name there. Okay. You type on the console on the black side. You type on the black on the other side. This side. No, more on just the other side in the console side. You type Chloe in there. Press enter. Now you have to press enter.
I'm just gonna stop my share.
Okay.
Now that I found out what's wrong.
You found out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Person, do you know what's your name? I need to know your name. I can't call you person. Can you unmute?
Hi. Yes, he tried to do
What his name first? Sorry.
Sean, sorry.
I can't.
His name is Sean.
H.
A-U-N.
I want the W.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah, he's like that.
Okay,
I can't share the screen because we're using two laptops.
what do you have?
It said the line 1.
No, you can't share the screen. You can.
STDIN line.
You can share the screen.
Can I?
You can. I allow you to share. Click share.
Because we're using two laptops, and it doesn't connect to each other.
You use one for Python and another one for
Yeah,
Zoom.
one for the Python and the other one is for the Zoom.
Okay, what did I say?
Uh,
Can you read out what's wrong with this? Okay, what? You have to blur. No, don't move it too close.
Unblur, Sean. Can you unblur? Unblur.
Okay, can you put the thing on the camera? Don't put too close. Okay, wait.
Oh,
Okay. What is your name? Hello. Okay, so you got a problem. Okay. So you have a problem
Yeah.
here. Okay, I'll show
Yeah.
you. What's your problem?
Okay.
Can I blur it now?
Yeah, you can. You see here, it's not 5, it's S.
S. Oh,
Then
yeah,
S.
okay. But I put S, but it doesn't work. S. Okay. It's
And
that.
then you do another percent and put the word name. This name, it should be equal to this.
Oh, yes.
You try again. Does it work?
Same. Yes. Okay.
Does it work now?
I'm trying. Your name. Sean.
Sean, you have to
And
press
then-
enter. And then you type Sean and then you press enter.
No, still the yeah,
Still the same.
It's the same.
it's still the same.
Okay, the input
Don't unblock.
is here. What is your name? You have to have a double quote here. And you have to end with a double quote. Is that the right thing? Did you do the right thing?
Yes, I input what is the name. Okay, let's have a look again. Just put this one there. Name. Yes. Yes.
Sure. All right. Could you try to put again on the computer? I mean, put on the camera again. I want to see what's the problem.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh my God. Ini apa?
Can you unblur first? Can't see.
I unblur. Wait, what?
Can you don't
Mouse?
blur the background? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's unblur.
Okay, hang on there. Name equal to input. What is your name? Syntax error. What is your name? Print. Percentage name and welcome to the junior coding. What is it?
Oh, that's okay then. Yeah, we will
Hang
set.
on, hang on, hang on. Stay there. You got double quote and double quote. You make sure you don't mix them up.
No, I'm sure that what I put there is the same.
What is your name? Okay, it looks correct. I
Yeah, looks correct, right?
don't understand what why it doesn't work.
Yeah, that's
It looks okay.
that's
Maybe
weird.
can you retype? Retype the input. What is your name? I think they say something here is wrong. You type in some weird characters here, but I can't see from the screen. Can you retype this whole thing? This whole thing.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
The one I highlight, retype them and try it again.
Name.
And then do you press, you need to press enter to make sure it's there.
Enter. Yeah. Good. Shh. Johnny.
Sorry,
Input.
mommy.
There is an extra space between variable and
Name.
percentage. Yeah. Yeah, that may be the one, yes.
That might be good.
Okay. I know it's first program. It's hard. Chloe, you have question?
Why isn't my print is showing?
Hmm?
My print doesn't show. My print doesn't show.
Did you do the S or number 5 here? The one I say here. S or
Why-
5?
Yes.
Is it letter S or number 5? So I saw a lot of people doing number 5 here. Can you check your code?
Oh, I just forgot to press something. I just found out I forgot to press something.
You good?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, Jaden, you have a question?
No.
All good? Okay. Look like everyone seems okay. Right, so you can expand this program to do anything you want. Maybe you can do you can do here. Then you just dot sleep 2 seconds. And you just say do 2 seconds. I think, yeah. This. That's it. So now run this. What's your name? We can do Lachlan. Hello, Lachlan. Welcome to the tutor program. You can see that? You can see the whole thing running, and then the whole line. You can write the whole story. You can expand this program to write the stories. So all the sequence of thing you can do. You can do a lot of things. If you see when I hit run now, you can see. You see that? Hello, Hannah. And then it's like, welcome to your coding class. It's quite a bit. Writing first Python program. Goodbye. So you can add a lot of effect on it. You can do like once upon a time, there is something, you can write the whole script of whatever you want to do, a poem, whatever it is. You can expand on that. Okay, I copy this in here. I hope you can expand on this. You can do whatever your creativity allow you to do. Let's say you can cite the whole poem if you want using this program, expand them out. Once you know it, it's become very easy. I've been out here for you, give you a few minutes to play around with this. What import time? Import time means that we use a module called time function. And the module time.sleep, you see time.sleep mean they will pause for 2 seconds. Okay, so that they can create the effect. You can see if you look on the, when I run it, they don't appear straight away, right? All the letter will be slowly appearing on the screen. You can see that they're not appearing all at once. It's not all at once, but it's slowly. Every 2 seconds they start printing out. That's why I'm saying you can use this to cite a poem. You can do whatever you want, you know. I copied the whole thing in the chat. You can play around with it. Then I can go around, see the demo, what you can do. And that's it. We're going to wrap up the class after this. So the whole program is in the chat box, everyone. If you don't want to type, you can copy it there and then paste it into your Python program and run it. Okay. You love Python, right? Okay, it's good. It's fun. We're gonna learn more stuff next week. Anyone want to demo what you do, or anyone want to demo? Welcome to demo. Oh, was it Hannah have issue or something? Try to see where's. Let me see. Hannah, you okay? You follow, you catch up the class, okay?
Sorry?
You say you need help or something?
Yeah, I just need help copying the stuff.
So where you up to?
I'm up to the 5th one.
Not to this one.
Huh?
You want to share the screen where you up to, or
It's okay.
it's okay, you catch up?
Yeah.
Okay, oh good, thank you. All right, everyone else, we're really running out of time soon. I think everyone, last week everyone loves Scratch, now you like Python. All right, that's good. It's really good to see. Next week, we're going to learn something new. Definitely not this. A little bit more, more advanced than this, but it's going to be still fun. Okay, we learned something new. If no one have issue, we're going to wrap up the class. Last chance, anyone have issue or want to demo anything? How do you say? If you got REPL IT, it's saved by itself. If you hear REPL IT, let's say if I may, I can just go home, my REPL. I have this junior coding class. This is advanced coding class, but this is the junior coding class. So I can click on this, it will open up again. That's the beauty of REPL ID is you can always save your work and you can play around with it later. That's why we spend the first 20 minutes try to create an account REPL ID. Is that cool, Jaden? Okay, look like everyone's okay. Can't see. I think that's it, everyone. We're gonna see you next week, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
teaching us. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Very fun.
Bye.
Very fun.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.